haraihu uyu niwe rutari ona kamutega kwiywa kuma kuri riua na tiri naguo gakunikirio ni cumbi kino-ini kiganu kia umuria wi guku Chalbi. No wero-ini uyu nikuo Maambura maka na makalacha maambirwo hemwa na nyimbo nacio nicio riri uria uronekana. Kanini na kanene mwithi na mukuru o gikundi na rwimbo rwakio. Gavana wa Marsabit itanya kauga Maambura maya matanyite kuonania mawega maria makomete kaunti-ini ino kuri mabũrũri ona thĩ yothe o hamwe na gukuria taranda cia aikari aya.
Is an opportunity to bring various communities of this county and the neighborhood from the neighboring counties as well as southern Ethiopia. An opportunity to celebrate cultural diversity where there's display of food, cultural artifacts, and an opportunity also for people to engage and sing together, dance together, and relive, the good memories of their culture.
Oho no ugite ati ndereti ta ici nicio cikurehe thayo na urumwe kuri nduriri ngurani iria cikaraga kaunti-ini ya Marsabit.
And over time we have used these cultural events as an opportunity to promote peace, harmony, and understanding between communities. So there is the cultural tolerance in terms of peace promotion.
To nyimbo indi Maambura-ini maya no kuri na taranda cia mwanya iria aikari aya makoragwo nacio, to tumi wa macuka o hamwe na monanio ma nyumba cia unduire. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Njuguna Wang'ang'a.